faux spider plant hanging basket. I have it right here behind me. It looks so realistic. I'm telling you, like garden reflections here, you can't even tell that this is a faux plant, especially if you mix it in your garden with other plants and realistic looking plants. The only thing is, be careful that you don't mistake it for a real plant and water it. I tease one of my colleagues around here. He watered a fake plant for about a month. This is $39. It's new. It was new a couple weeks ago. And here to tell us more about this is my friend Jordan Carson. Hi, Jordan.
It is so great to see you.
So
Happy
great
gardening.
to see you. Thank you so much. I was just marveling at how realistic this looks.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
It is so realistic. It's incredible. Yes, it is. And so we always say here, if you can't grow it, faux it. And even if you can, it's great to intersperse some of these real and faux plants together. So this is by Garden Reflections, which is our exclusive brand at QVC. And we're really helping you to reimagine your garden as an oasis that you've always dreamed. So this is 30 inches in height and actually 32 inches when you bring these up. And then underneath, we're talking about that realistic look. The realism, take a look, Avisha, at this cocoa liner here. Not only does it appear real, but you also have the texture underneath as well. So this is indoor and outdoor safe. So this is fade resistant, it is rust resistant on that chain, and then it is also weather resistant and will stand the test of time year after year.
Wow. You know, this would be great to put in maybe like a room in your home that doesn't get a lot of light, like a basement or my husband's office down in the basement, even in like a bathroom. You know, you don't have to worry about, are my plants getting enough sunlight?
Exactly. This is no maintenance. You don't have to worry about turning it every day. You don't have to worry about the sunlight and making sure you're watering enough, but not too much. This is absolutely simple and it looks like it's real. Now, there's so many things that you can do with this. I know you mentioned, bringing this into the bathroom or the powder room. That's exactly where I have mine. And
gorgeous.
I also like to put this in a planter. Now, this is also by Garden
Reflections. Oh, is that your bathroom, Jordan?
No.
Oh, I was like, wow.
We have our fireplace behind us.
No, I'm looking at a picture right now that's on the screen.
Oh, my bathroom, yes.
Okay,
yes,
that is your bathroom. That's fantastic. I love that look.
Thank you. And actually, I have seen some photos of your home, and we have very similar homes. So we decorate very similarly.
Yes.
But, what I think is so fantastic is this right here, this metal chain, you can remove this at the base. So you have 3 different chains here. Remove those on the side and then put this in a planter like this. And it really just elevates any space. I do like to have mine in my primary bathroom. As you just saw, it's hanging in the shower. We have a huge window in there. And so I like to hang that there, and it just creates that oasis space that you can bring not only from outdoors in your garden, but into your home.
I'm looking closely at these leaves, and they're just like done. It's like each one is just different and unique. And it's really like multicolors of green. You're seeing like texture. That's what's making it look so lifelike, are these colors and the way that each one is different and unique, different sizes even.
And that's what we love about Garden Reflections. When you're looking so closely at this, Avisha, and you and I are both just inches away from the detail here, you have this ombre of these beautiful colors. You've got that deep, deep green, and then you're just seeing the spiderettes there that are opening, and you've got all different sizes there, which you would see on, a real live spider plant. But you've got some hues of yellow and light green. This is what a real spider plant looks like. And so you can be just inches away and it looks absolutely real.
And it's $39. Now imagine how long this will last. It's not a plant that you have to worry about. Am I watering it? Am I giving it enough sunlight? It's low maintenance. And something else with hanging plants too is like sometimes the water and the dirt drips out. That's another thing you don't have to worry about. And what I love is how much space it saves. This isn't going to take up any floor space for if you don't have much space. If your space is filled up already, this just hangs really nicely. And again, that size is you said 32 inches, 10 inches in diameter, and about 22 inches wide. It's a really good size, and it's super light.
Yeah, it's super light. And when I'm talking and presenting on these spider plants, I always say if you can, get 2 or 3 of them.
Yes.
Flank your doors
Looks pretty
when
like
you're
that.
walking into your home. It looks so gorgeous. And then I always like to bring one into my bathroom or into, one of the guest bedrooms. And it just adds, there's something that plants do. They create sereneness and just almost like that time to exhale, because you feel like that greenery, whether it's live or faux, it just gives you that relaxing moment. And so I would intersperse these throughout my home, especially at this wonderful price. And they look so beautifully and just well done by Garden Reflections.
What a great way to add color to your house. It's really one of my favorite ways. We just moved and everything in my house feels really white. I've already had this coastal style where everything was white to begin with, and now we're here and I'm like, I need some color. This would be a great way to add color and just and just in a low maintenance way. We have less than 700 of these. $39 is the price, $13 is your easy pay, and this is new. So this has been really popular since we got it just a couple weeks ago. Home Reflections does a fantastic job of making beautiful, lifelike faux plants.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's what I love about working with Garden Reflections, because it is a QVC exclusive brand. So what you see is what you get, and we are so proud of what we're able to deliver.
Oh, thank you, Jordan. It was really good to see you. All right, that's item number M99367. All right.